One, two, three. Every corner that I see, being a Filipino is worth to be. I may not know every single hero we have, but all of us are free, like a dove flying freely in the sky of freedom. In paradise, we'll love perching because of heroes we've never met. There is no home like the Philippines, where people use their hands as utensils, where gossipers are everywhere, where people love to help each other, where people have to be obedient and love to be kind everywhere, where the word love started here. As I turned my head in every corner, all I can see are polite Filipinos. They love to use our signature hand of respect. Even the young generations still using it to show respect to elders and everyone they met. I love being here. I love being a Filipino where everyone loves to laugh, where everyone is smiling even when they're struggling, where everyone is hard working, and where everyone tends to love than to hate. Love is everywhere. We are Filipino. We help each other to grow. We left no one in the ground because we are fighters with no doubts. Thank you.